All right, I have no idea what I just did. I think my game just glitched. It's in this tiny mode. What in the world? Oh my gosh. What? That is the weirdest glitch I've ever experienced. So I actually have to use the controls on here. Is this a feature or a glitch? I'm so confused right now. What's up guys, Everything Apple Pro here, and it's official. Fortnite Battle Royale has dropped for iOS devices, mobile in general. Android will be coming in the future. But let's go ahead and take a look at it, how it runs, how it works on an iPhone, the controls, how easy is it to play. And I do not claim to be good at all, honestly. I play this once in a blue moon, mostly played the other clone ripoff on iPhone. So I'm very interested to see how this runs. Also, we'll be talking about how you guys can get it, because right now it's only on an invite only list. So let's go ahead and jump in real quick and see how it works. By the way, this is massive, so prepare some storage on your phone. You want to make sure you have at least 2 GB available. So jump into the general about settings and you'll see if you do have 2 GB, you are good to go. It is a massive update. By the way, you have to have an iPhone 6s or above to run this somewhat decently. I don't know if it'll even run on an iPhone 6 or below, but I have an iPhone 10, so nothing to worry about there. Anyways, if you want to add me, username is Phone Rebel. But otherwise, it does take a little while to get into the actual lobby. For me, I don't know why it took like 30 minutes just to be able to bring up the sign up menu. It's full of bugs, but it is running the latest Fortnite patch itself, 3.3. So you're getting all of the same features, everything basically that you would get from the console counterpart, which is pretty cool. It's nice that they're basically giving you the entire experience on mobile here. So yeah, just watch me play for a little while. Just want to see what it's like here. And this is pretty simple. So you have a joystick control here, and move around with your other finger there. Cool, jump. It does feel a little sticky, like you don't get the response you would on a controller. And let me turn out the overhead lights, they're kind of annoying here. All right, so cool, you get the full experience here. There's your accessories, cool. Now let me see if you can change the actual controls. So I don't believe you can actually get into the menu from here, or, oh, right there. All right, so yeah, so you do have some options for controls here, touch sensitivity, and I don't know if you can actually change the controls. Okay, so you can change what info appears on your screen. Cool, some audio. Otherwise, it's pretty dang similar here. Run, you've pushed the joystick all the way forward and so on. All right, so probably gonna jump out at earliest opportunity here, but it is the full game and it looks pretty dang good. Like, wow. They managed to port that to this. This is a powerhouse, so it has no problem running it whatsoever. And it's a bit unusual. I don't usually post videos about stuff like this, but this game is pretty exciting. It's got me excited to finally use my phone to game. And a lot of my friends are into this, so it's always a good time to be able to take this with me and play with them no matter where I am. All right, so see what we can find here. And I'm actually surprised at how easy it was just to pick this up and go with it. Like, controls are very natural. That's what I was worried about earlier, and don't worry about it, it works very well, especially on the longer iPhone 10. The 10 Plus will be no issue. It's just the smaller iPhones. I don't know how that's going to work exactly. All right, see what I can scavenge up here. Oh man, it's so hard to play through my camera. No, okay, that's embarrassing. I just died first time. All right, redo. All right, so while this is loading, I just want to go through with you here and show you how to get it right now. Now, I don't guarantee you'll be able to play it, but if you guys were on the invite list, there's a good chance that you are able to log in right away. Now, I did hear that iOS 11.1.2 users were having a problem playing this game, so I'm going to verify that right now if it is indeed a thing. But all you guys need to do is go to fortnite.com//iOS. All right, so just like that. And sorry, my orientation here is kind of messed up on my iPhone. And go ahead and click download. So you will be able to download the game. It's just a matter of having your email verified. That's how it allows you to do this. So just because you can download it doesn't necessarily mean you can play it, but it is a start. So I am downloading it. Again, it's going to take a while. It is a absolutely massive update, and we'll see if it allows me to play it on my jailbroken 11.1.2 device. So while that's downloading and you doing the same, let's go ahead and play some more Fortnite here. So I'm going to go a little further. I don't want to get murdered at the beginning. Usually I'm pretty low key. My strategy is just to get out of the way, wait for everyone else to kill themselves, and then position myself in a better area with more guns. But okay, here we go once again. Graphics look really, really good. I mean, the colors, everything looks fantastic on the OLED display. So I'm actually super excited as this gets updated and grows, more people can play it. Because right now, none of my friends are on it, so I'm not really going to have anyone to play with. Also, I actually used several emails to try and get a better chance of getting the download code, and that seemed to help. So if you guys haven't got it yet, I would recommend opening up a few because they're kind of just doing it randomly. Yeah, they're randomly selecting users. Okay, somebody is already. Get over here, you. Yes, yes, yes. No, get over here. Get me one kill at least, please. Oh. No! Why? I'm so bad at this. It's embarrassing. All right, so this one has managed to download. So I'm going to jump in and show you the process here. And it's quite simple. I mean, all you guys need to do is have a verified account, but that's the entire problem, isn't it? If you guys don't have it, and I'm experiencing crashes. So it might actually be true. iOS 11.1 devices are not able to install this. Yeah, that is weird, huh? So I'm gonna go to an 11.2 device. Let's see if that's the cutoff period for when you can install it, because that's ridiculous. I thought you'd be able to install it on any iOS 11 device. All right, once again, trying that on an iOS 11.2 device. Anyways, let's get to this. Oh man, I ended up in the middle of nowhere. Let's go to this farmhouse over here. How long did it take you guys to not suck? Because for me, I haven't been playing that long, and I'm pretty amateur at this stuff, but on the PS4, when you have a little bit better control, you can definitely do better. No! I hate this. I hate this. How did people get guns so fast? Are you serious? All right, let's check it out if it works in iOS 11.2. And if there's no crash, then we are in luck. So do you have to be on the newest firmware? Okay, it works. Looks like the cutoff period. I think I know exactly why they did this. They didn't want people to have access to the file system so they could cheat. So iOS 11.2 and above is what's required here. I'm sure that there could be a workaround with a jailbreak tweak, but right now it is not working on 11.1.2 for me. So make sure you guys are on a compatible firmware by checking inside of here. If it's 11.2 or above, you guys are good to play. The controls feel almost sticky. Like I hate having to turn around in tight spaces. It's really not easy. Please just let me get one kill. Nice, nice. Okay, I'm armed. Now just need somebody to shoot. Come on, somebody just lay down your life for me. I need one kill, please. No, gosh. It's just like, man, it's so much harder in here. You want to point him somewhere and it's, I hate this. Okay, it's not bad, but it's just so much different in person. You got to really, you don't have anything to grab. It's different. All right, I can't believe I lost to this guy. What are you even doing? Damn it. All right, here we go again. I feel miserable playing this and sucking so bad. Come on. All I need is one kill and then I'll be good. All right, now we're talking. Here we go. Oh my god, I can't even get them while they're standing there. I'm so bad. Okay, one kill under my belt. Someone that wasn't even there. Definitely proud of that one. All right, the reload button's right there, so cool. Oh, here we go, here we go. Yes! I am on a streak. Here we go. Okay, 2. At least it's better than what I was doing before. Oh, no, 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 no. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, okay. Oh, that was good. It's such a rush when you start killing people finally, though. Okay, I sounded wrong. Here we go. Round 6, 7, whatever it is. No need to be shy, folks. Step on up. Step on up. Oh, I see you. Where are you going? Hey, that's the closest I've ever got to winning, though. All right, so there it is, guys. Overall, Fortnite on iPhone works extremely well. I was very surprised. They use a little work on the controls, but for a product like this, it just came out. So they must have been working on it for a while because it works very well. It's very smooth. Again, if you guys have not gotten a code yet, it's pretty simple within the app itself. So I'll show you guys when you do end up installing it. You can sign up directly in here, and I'd recommend signing up with several accounts. So that way you have a better chance of getting code right away. So basically sign up here. And if you see anywhere on the internet that people are giving out codes, it's not true yet because officially the codes haven't even been sent out because everybody will get 5 codes they can send to friends, but that feature isn't available yet. So if you guys were able to install it though, props to you. Definitely do enjoy it. It's a lot of fun. Add me if you want, if I'll be on there. My username is Phone Rebel. So there you go, guys. Fortnite is available on iPhone. Pretty dang awesome. So stay tuned for any and all updates on this though. Have fun. Peace.